Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to live a healthier and happier life. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can use your thoughts to optimize your health. You may have heard the saying, "You are what you think." This is not just a metaphor, but a scientific fact. Your thoughts have a powerful influence on your physical and mental well-being. They can affect your mood, your immune system, your hormones, your blood pressure, your digestion, and more. Before proceeding, I request your kind participation to achieve 150 likes on this video, as it motivates me to bring more helpful content for all of you. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, let's begin. So how can you use your thoughts to optimize your health? Here are 3 simple steps that you can follow. Step 1. Identify your negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are those that make you feel bad, such as worry, fear, anger, guilt, shame, or self-doubt. These thoughts can trigger a stress response in your body, which can lead to inflammation, disease, and aging. To identify your negative thoughts, you can use a journal, a voice recorder, or a trusted friend. Write down or say out loud what you are thinking and feeling and how it affects your body. Step 2. Challenge your negative thoughts. Negative thoughts are often irrational, exaggerated, or distorted. They do not reflect reality but your own beliefs, assumptions, or expectations. To challenge your negative thoughts, you can use a technique called cognitive restructuring. This involves asking yourself some questions such as, is this thought true? How do I know? What evidence do I have to support or contradict this thought? What is the worst that could happen? How likely is it? What is the best that could happen? How likely is it? What is a more realistic or balanced way of thinking about this situation? By answering these questions, you can expose the flaws in your negative thoughts and replace them with more positive and realistic ones. Step 3. Replace your negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that express your desired outcomes, such as, I am healthy and strong, I am calm and confident, or I am grateful and happy. These statements can help you create a positive mindset, which can boost your self-esteem, motivation, and optimism. To use positive affirmations, you can repeat them to yourself several times a day, especially in the morning and before bed. You can also write them down on sticky notes, or record them and listen to them. By following these 3 steps, you can use your thoughts to optimize your health. Remember, your thoughts are powerful, and you have the power to change them. Thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.